comment section, would you run in the rain or would you rather run on a treadmill on days like this?
It is absolutely raining outside. Normally on this kind of day I would run outside, but as you may have seen on Instagram and I posted there some stories, you may have noticed that I got a gym membership now and there are treat meals. So today is a treat meal day. My first actual run on a treadmill for such a long run, because today is an easy run. So yeah, I will see how it goes and I take you along this. Alright, we are in the gym. First things first, a little bit of warm up and some work with a prevention band for the ankles. So yeah, let's go, let's hop into it. The weather outside, it rains so much, so good choice. So good choice running inside. Let's go. We first go with the band.
And for my ankles, so I'm sitting right here and just doing some exercises with it for my ankle. It's for prevention for injuries, so I decrease the chance of injuries, and my ankles are getting stronger, especially if you're running much. Then those exercises can help you to decrease the chance of injuries. So yeah, that's why I do it. Each side, some repetitions. Then I grab myself a box. I change the band. So this one is a X heavy band, so it's a bit of stronger, but for this exercise I like to change it a bit up because my ankles are not that strong yet. So I like to take the medium one right here, put it onto my foot, sitting right here, putting my ankle up and down and enjoying the view outside. So I can sit here all day long just watching the rain. I'm just kidding, but we're running up now. We're warming up for the run. So switching up. It is extremely rainy outside, so good choice for running inside. Alright, then I grab a weight. This one should do the job. And place it right here. Put the heavy band around here. Then sitting down, putting my ankle through. Now we're coming to the running drills that I always do before running, then some light stretching, then we're going for the treadmill run. So I put those bands up, put on my running shoes, and then go for the running drills. So now I'm gonna talk about why I'm going to the gym. It's a journey for me because I'm very new to going to the gym, but I think it's very important to do other sports and other sports exercises besides running. So I'm getting a more well-rounded runner. So for me that is especially strength, because I feel like especially my knees and my ankles are very weak, or are one of the weak part of my body, and of course the upper body, especially the core, which is very important for stability in the run. So this is why one factor of going to the gym. And especially what's cool about this gym is that here's a swimming pool, so I can go swimming, which is really nice because then it's another sport, and swimming in general is a good alternative sport for running and strengthens your back and gives you stability and strength in your running. So okay, let's hop into the running drills. Over to the treadmill right we're now going to the treadmills. And what I want to talk about is that today is an easy run for me, so I'm running about 12 kilometers and my easy pace is around 450. So I looked on the internet and there is a chart where the speed, where there's a chart which explains the speed in according to the treadmill speed. So 450 equals to about, or 440, 450 equals about to 12 kilometers per hour, 12.2. I have to look at it again, but when you're running on the treadmill, try to look up the speed you're running on. And yeah, now the mission for this run is to keep my heart rate between 150 and 160. So let's see how it goes. Maybe I have to increase the speed, maybe I have to decrease the speed. Let's see. Over. Final time was like 95 something. Average heart rate, let me just check. Average heart rate was 155, so right in the sweet spot. Amazing run. After I got off the treadmill, I was feeling like I was on the, on the airport there are ways where you get faster. This is how I felt after getting off of the treadmill. But it was a good alternative than running in the rain. Obviously I'm wet like I was running outside, but yeah, it was a cool experience. And now I'm gonna do some stretching exercises and again some stability stuff. So let's go. After the run and after the stretching and mobility training, I'm now chilling in the pool so my muscles can rest better. And yeah, I'm just laying here around, enjoying the time. And yeah, that's what I'm doing now.